This video will show you how to remove the spring from your Lilyfield Pro kitchen sink faucet to allow for easy cleaning and maintenance. Start by pressing the spray button, then using your finger to pull the button away from the spray head. Remove the button and set it aside. Press and hold the tab inside the spray head while pulling up on the hose to separate the spray head from the hose. Set the spray head aside. Unthread the end cap from the spring. Press the cap to release it from the groove on the spray hose, then remove the cap. Grasp the spring near the base of the faucet and slide the spring off the spray hose. Clean the spring and cap with soapy water. Hold the spray hose and rinse the spring and cap with hot water. Wipe down the hose with a wet cloth or sponge. If needed, use soapy water to clean any tough spots. Dry the spray hose, spring, and end cap with a clean cloth. Slide the spring back onto the spray hose. Straightening the spring will help it slide onto the hose easier. Reinstall the end cap by pulling up on the spring and snapping the cap securely into the groove on the spray hose. Thread the cap onto the end of the spring. Press the spray head back onto the spray hose until it snaps into place. Finally, fit the bottom of the button over the ball inside the spray head, then snap the top of the button into place. With that, your faucet is clean and ready to use again.